Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have one of my favorite types of videos that I'm bringing you all today, and that's crochet braids. And I know you all love those a great deal. Today we're going to be using the Outre Spring Twist. This is the color that I'm going to be using. I actually got this hair in two different colors. I got it in 2T1B30, and I also got it in this copper color, which is 2T1B350. I wasn't sure which color I was going to use, but I ended up going with the 2T1B30. And I did get 6 packs, but I only ended up using 3. So this is what my hair looks like. I actually blew it out and I put it in a ponytail and I banded it on the end to keep it nice and stretched. This is what it's looking like. And guys, this particular crochet braid install is going to be very beginner friendly. It's going to be a braidless install. So if you cannot cornrow, if you cannot braid, y'all know I always hook y'all up with those kind of videos. If you are challenged in those areas, this method is going to be dummy proof. You don't necessarily have to go to a salon and spend tons of money in order to install crochet braids. You can do it yourself, and I'm going to show you all one of the easiest methods to do it. Okay, so let's get back into this hair, y'all. So it's the twisted up spring twist hair, and although it's spring twist, don't let that deter you from feeling like you cannot do anything else with it. This hair is super versatile. You can do faux locks with this hair. You can do the spring twist that they stated. You could do what looks like Marley twist. You can also wear this hair in a big curly fro and it kind of have like a twist out look to it. Y'all, the options are limitless. When starting this process, I'd highly recommend blowing your hair out first. So that's what I've already done. And I'm going to be using this Shine Pomade in order to add moisture to my hair because that's really important in order for this to be a protective style that helps to grow your hair. So I'm going to moisturize my hair with that. But I'm starting by parting my hair off first. After I've done that, I'm going to begin to flat twist. So we're not going to be doing any braids this time. We're only going to be twisting. And twisting is so much easier than braiding. And y'all, the twists do not have to be perfect, and you will see that in a moment. So right now I'm just going to part my hair off and I'm going to begin flat twisting. Now I'm going to stop my flat twist where the part is at the crown. After the entire front has been twisted, I'm going to go back and connect my flat twist along the crown, and then I'm going to bring those together and do 3 chunky flat twists in the back. Y'all, this process was super easy and it was also really quick. This was probably one of my fastest installs and my most affordable installs. So you all watch till the end. Y'all gonna see this magic come together. So right now you all can kind of see what I mean. I didn't actually flat twist all the way to the ends yet. I used a little clip just to clip the hair out of the way. So I'm gonna show you again. So I'm just flat twisting, and guys, notice that they're not really tight. I don't like my protective styles to be tight. I don't like a great deal of tension or anything. But if you desire yours to be tighter than mine, then feel free to flat twist much tighter, and also put a rubber band at the end of each flat twist at the crown, and that'll help to keep your flat twist nice and secure, and it won't cause them to loosen up once you begin connecting all the twists.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, hey. Look, pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. I am so glad your mama like me. Squared up with Cupid, told him fight me. I stole your love, he shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need CPR. Tell me, do you love me like I do? Tell me what you willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true that you mean the world to me. Around the globe, but I know that you're the only girl for me, and I gotta let you know. She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine.
Do you all see how easy this is? So right now I'm just flat twisting in the back. I'm doing 3 chunky flat twists, and then I'm going to connect those twists on the ends and pin it up using a bobby pin at the top.
Bounce gang.
Baby, come here, let me tell you something.
All right, y'all, now it's time for the install. So I'm going to begin by taking one strand out at a time. And I love that this hair is already sectioned off. I'm just going to kind of pull it just so you all can kind of see the texture a little more. I like that it's a kinky texture because that matches my hair. So I'm going to begin by inserting the crochet needle. I'm going to attach the hair to the hook, close the latch, and then pull the hair through. After I've done that, I'm going to remove my crochet needle, put my fingers in where the loop is, and then I'm going to bring one section of the hair through that particular loop. For most of this install, I'm going to use the invisible parting technique. That's more so of the knotless method. So I'm going to use that method throughout the front, some in the back, but for the most part, the regular method in the back.
Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Hey, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. People say forever is a mighty long time. I don't know.
So this is how much hair I had left over after doing the front right side. So now we're going to begin working on the left, but keep in mind, guys, if you want your hair to be less dense, then you may want to space out the hair a little more, and you can actually probably get away with, instead of using 3 packs like I did, you could probably just use 2 packs.
And if it mean that I'm holding you close to me, baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is everything. Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip in the A. We can take a dip by the bay. Hop on a plane, go to Spain. No matter the place, girl, you melt my heart like Pompeii. Ay, I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You done been through too much, so I ain't tryna mess this up. No, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation, yeah. We paint the picture while they be tracing, yeah. Landing in all type of nations. Can't get enough of your love, girl. You been so patient. We started off in the basement. Now we up out of space again. #1 is the place we in. It's a mill at the finish line. All my people gon' race to win. Lord have mercy on Polo, please.
So we're all finished installing this hair. As you can see, you can do a middle or a side part, and the hair looks really defined right now. So I actually did my install the first day, and then I decided to come back and do the rest of the recording. So this is how I slept with the hair overnight, and I actually wore it like this to the gym as well. Now the hair did get a little frizzy, but guys, that's perfectly fine, because for me, I like the frizz. I don't mind it at all, and I feel like it makes the hair look even more natural. So right now we're just going to begin to separate the hair. And guys, I started separating from the roots till about maybe an inch from the ends, but you guys can separate all the way from root to end and it's still gonna look great. I feel like you cannot mess up this hair because it's so big and it's already so defined. It's just gonna look better over time. This hair is very customizable, and you guys, you can achieve so many looks as I shared in the beginning. So right now I'm just shaping the hair, but you will not have to do this if you make sure that when you install that the hair is even on both sides. I kind of failed to do that in some areas, so as a result I did have to cut some areas. But guys, this is what it looks like on the right and also on the left. So go for whichever look works best for you. So I'm just going to go through and finished this process. This is what it's now looking like after fluffing out all the hair, and it's so gorgeous, and I love, love, love this color. I can only imagine how beautiful the copper color will look as well. So I'm just going to take off that scarf I had in the front. I'm going to make sure that my hair is nice and sleek by using an edge control. This is not my favorite one, but this is the one that was near me, so I just used that. And then I'm going to proceed to show you all some styles.
She got a case to win. Can't fold, never crease, don't bend. If you do, don't cry, we bend now. So let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah, we just fine. Let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need you a vacation. You just need you a vacation. You just need you a vacation.
I'm just here trying to vibe up.
It's 99, yeah.
99 and you want bastard boy called Outre.
Put you upon this, yeah. Baby, let me hold you. Yeah, you know, say I don't go leave you. Yeah. I go walk, I never leave you. Yeah, want me, buy me, tele hurry. I say, oh, yeah. I like your style, and you know this. Other them boys, them novice. I like your style, and you know this. Other them boys, them novice. I like your style, and you know this. Other them boys, them novice. I like your style, and you know this. Other them boys, them novice. Man, girl, show me your style. Show me your. Man, girl, show me that your style. Show me your style. Show me your. My girl, show me that your style. Bella do do. She want to do. She want to do. She want to do. I want you coco. I know she want to coco. Girl, she got me. Yeah, you know I got to do. Make I tell you something. Make I ginger you. Make I show you something, maybe we go ginger true. Yeah. Baby, make you bankulize, make you equalize. Cause 1 + 1, baby, equal to you and I. Aye. My baby, make you relate. No time for debate. My baby, make you relate. No time for debate. Cause I like your style, and you know this. All of them boys, them be no face. I like your style, and you know this. All the boys say they know, say we no face. Man, girl, show me your style. Show me your. Man, girl, show me that your style. Man, girl, show me your style. Show me your. Man, girl, show me that your style.
So y'all, this is what this hair looks like twisted up. And guys, my husband and I were actually going to the movies this day, and I didn't finish my hair, but I'm going to show you all what it looks like with the middle part, and then show you how I wore it to the movies, which was so cute. I just put a little hat on that said believe. It was so gorgeous. But I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also check the description box so that you can find links to where you can find this hair. You can find it as cheap as, I believe, $4.99. So I have that listed down in the description box. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Be sure to share this video. Thank you all for subscribing and for all the growth that we made so far this year. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
I like your style, and you know this. All of them boys, them be no face. I like your style, and you know this.